I love slime, and for this video I decided to show 3 of my gallons of slimes that I have, and yeah. This is avocado foam. It's a really nice half foam slime that I have, and it's really glossy and clicky, and yeah. My next gallon is a butter slime, and it's called green apple butter, and it smells like exactly like green apples. It smells so good. It's really soft. And the last gallon of slime I have is this slime, this clear slime, and it's called Grape Icy. And it has these like square beads in it, and it's really fun to play with. And it's really pretty. Look at that color. Okay guys, so that's my 3 gallons of slime that I have. I do have a slime account on Instagram, which is slime_maniac_lover on Instagram, so go follow that. And yeah, so I'm probably going to be selling slime soon. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye!